A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome to Physical Science online class. Our fourth chapter name is Refraction of Light at Curved Surfaces. What is that? Refraction. Refraction means what? Refraction means the bending of light ray. The light ray passes one medium to another medium. Direction will be changed. That is called the refraction. Now, your lab activity. Types of convex lenses. Types of convex lenses. Aim observing the types of images and measuring the object distances and image distance. Listen carefully. Aim of the lab activity: observing the types of images and measuring the object distance and image distance from the lens. Material required: a candle, paper like a screen, convex lens, known focal length, V-stand, measuring tape or meter scale. These are the required material. Procedure: take a V-stand and place it on a long, nearly 2 meters table at the middle. Place a convex lens on the V-stand. Light a candle and ask your friend to take the candle far away from the lenses along the principal axis. Adjust a screen which is on other side of the lens until you get an image on it. Where that we get the image on the screen, that means paper. Measure the distance of the object, candle, from V-stand. Measure the image distance, that is V-stand. Then record the values in the table. Repeat this activity by the placing the candle at 70 centimeters, 60 centimeters, 50 centimeters, 40 centimeters, 30 centimeters, and note down U and V values. U means what? Object distance. V means image distance. Now, material required once again say candle, convex lens, V-stand, screen, that means paper. You can find out the image on the screen. Wooden block, meter scale or meter tape, meter scale or meter tape. Case 1, first arrange the table, that is 2 meters length, arranged in the middle of the V-stand. Middle V-stand. Why? Because we arrange that convex lens place, that is the V-stand. Convex lens, arrange it. After that, we take the candle. Now, bring the candle towards 2 meters of the convex lens. Then, that is the object. Here we taking the candle there, no? That is the object. Object to lens, we stand in between distance is U. That is the object distance. Here take the wooden block, put the candle. Here paper screen. Paper showing the image. That is the like a screen. Here, taking the focal length of lens is 15 centimeters. Already we know that we taking the lens anyone, that focal length we knew. Object is far away from the lens. Object is far away from the lens. Image is formed at the focal point. What is the meaning of focal point? All refracted rays meet at a point, that is called the focal point. Yes children, focal point. Then here image is formed inverted. What is that? Inverted. Highly diminished. Diminished means what? That is the very small image. Small image, inverted, and real. Real means that is the clear and clarity image. We can find out that case 1. First, screen to lens in between distance is very small, that is the 10 centimeters or 15 centimeters, but object distance is 70 centimeters. Next case, we can take focal length of lens is 15 centimeters. Same arrangement, table 2 meters, put the V stand and arrange the convex lens. Convex lens, that is the converging lens. Listen carefully. Converging means all points meet at a point. That is the converging point. What that points? That are all normals meet at a point. That is called the converging point. Here in front of, we can take the object, that is the candle. Distance 70 centimeters. Here lens to object in between distance is 70 centimeters. Then that is small u. Object distance u equal to 70 centimeters. And next one, we want the screen. Where we can find out the image, that is the screen. Here paper, we using screen is white paper. Then put the object. Image formation is inverted. Image formation is inverted. What is the characteristics of the image? Inverted, diminished, and real image. Yes children, listen carefully. Tip of the flame, here inverted. Lens 2, we can see that. Then next, object inverted position, image formed. Then distance between image to lens in between 20 centimeters. Then here small v, image distance small v equal to 20 centimeters. Object distance u equal to 70 centimeters. Then what are the characteristics? Image distance 19 centimeters, nearly 20 centimeters. Then what is this? Here 2 points meet at a point, that is the focal point. Characteristics: inverted, inverted, real, diminished. Diminished one means small one. Diminished means small one. Next one, real characteristic, real and clear image. Case 3. Here we taking the focal length of lens as it is 15 centimeters. Object distance, take the table, put the V stand. Put the V stand, arrange the convex lens. Next, object distance. Lens to object in between distance. Here object is candle. Lens in between distance what? Already 70 completed. Then now 60 centimeters. Object distance. Object distance where we can take lens to candle. In between distance is called object distance, that is the 60 centimeters. In our formula we using small u. Focal length is small f. 15 centimeters, small u 60 centimeters. Now we bring that screen. Screen, that is the paper. Then what is the length of the paper and lens in between distance, that is the image distance. Then here same object as it is, but image is inverted. Image is inverted. Why? Because here we taking the converging lens. That is why we can find out that is the inverted image. Then what is the distance in between lens and screen? That is the 20 centimeters. Before one nearly 20, that means that is the 90 centimeters. Now here 20 centimeter. What are the characteristics? Inverted, diminished and real image. Inverted, tip of the flame upward direction of the candle object, but image, that is the inverted. Next one, real. Next case, same as it is, focal length of the lens is 15 centimeter. Take the table, arrange the V stand and convex lens. Next, take the object. Then lens in between distance is called the object distance. Now 50 centimeters. What is that? Object distance small u equal to 50 centimeters. Then we want the screen. Now bring the screen, white paper. Now let us move the screen slowly left to right. Then we can see the paper left to right paper like a screen here as it is, object as it is, but image is inverted. Then tip of the flame. Next, last of the flame. Total candle inverted. What are the characteristics and length here? Length of the image is 0 to 22 centimeters. Near 22 centimeters. Here image distance V equal to 22 centimeters. Characteristics of the image are inverted, real and diminished. What are the characteristics? Listen carefully. Inverted. Why? Because that is the converging lens. Converging lens means all normals meet at a point, that is called the converging lens. Then next, real image and diminished. Diminished means small one. Case 5. As it is, focal length of the lens is 15 centimeters. Now arrange the table. Put the middle of the table V stand and arrange the convex lens. Then nearby the, here is the V stand and convex lens. Take the candle, that is like a object, working as a object. Lens to object in between distance, that is the U. Lens to object in between distance. Now we can take the 40 centimeters. Before all are 70, 60, 50. Now 40 centimeters. What is that object distance? U equal to 40 centimeters. Now bring the white paper, that is the screen. Move slowly left to right paper. Paper means that is the screen, where we can find out the image, that is the screen. Here as it is, object is as it is, but image is real and inverted. Next, all points meet at a point, that is the converging point. Then we can find out the image distance 0 to 24. Object distance is 40 centimeters. Image distance is 24 centimeters. Image distance small v 24 centimeters. Now the characteristics of the image is real, inverted, diminished one, small one. Now case of 6, as it is focal length of the lens is 15 centimeter. We arrange on the table. Then take the object and lens in between distance. We can find out that is the 30 centimeters. Why? Because here we taking the 30, after long onwards 70, 60, 50, 40, now 30. That is the object distance. Now we want the screen. Let's moving the slowly, that is left to right. Paper screen like screen, that is left to right. Bring the left to right. We can find out the image. Lens to image in between distance, that is the image distance. What is that image distance? 0 to 30. Image distance 0 to 30. Here object distance and image distance both are same now. That is why we are see the image characteristics. Listen carefully. Inverted, same size that of the object. Why? Here object distance 30 centimeters, image distance also 30 centimeters. That time we will find out the image formation also same sized. Real image. Inverted, same size, and real image. Now case 7, as it is lens focal length is 15 centimeters. Then nearby the object. Why? Because here we want the centimeters object to lens, that is the 20 centimeters only. Then nearby the lens and object 20 centimeters. Object distance is 20, that is small u. Now we want the screen, that is bring slowly left to right position. Object distance u equal to 20 centimeters. Image distance, that is slowly bring the left to right paper, that means screen. Just watch clearly. Image to lens in between distance is very far. See here. Object to lens in between distance only 20 centimeters. Image to lens in between distance is very far. That time we will find out the image is very large one, magnified. Then now measure the image distance. Lens to image in between distance we will measure that is the may 60 or 70 centimeters. 60 or 70 centimeters. Now look at the picture here. 0 to 60. What is that? Lens to image in between distance is lens to image in between distance is 60 centimeters. In the early cases, object to lens in between distance is very far, but in this case lens to image distance very far, that is the 60 centimeters. That time characteristics of the image is, now image distance 60 centimeters, characteristics are inverted, magnified, that means very large one. We will find out image very large one and real image. These are the characteristics of the image distance very far away. Now case 8. As it is focal length of lens is 15 centimeters. Then lens to object in between distance is 15 centimeters. Very near distance. Lens to object. That is the 15 centimeters. Here object distance u equal to 15 centimeters. Now bring the screen slowly left to right. That is the paper. Bring the left to right. Let us see the distances between lens to screen. Then that is very far or near. See here, very near. Then lens to image distance. Lens to image distance. Now we will find out the image formation. Image will be formed at infinity. Image will be formed at infinity distance. That is the infinity distance means we will find out the pointed object, not formed on the screen. If the object is placed at lens than 15 centimeters from the lens, can we obtain the image on the screen or not? Here, if the object is placed less than 15 centimeters time, we can't see the image on the screen. Yes, children, when the object is placed less than 50 centimeters from the lens, we cannot obtain the image on the screen. Why? Because we will see the virtual image. The virtual image will be formed on the same side of the object, not the screen side. That is, we will find out the image on the object side only. See the following characteristics here. Case 9. Arrange the table. As it is focal length of the lens is 15 centimeters. Arrange the convex lens. Then here object will very near of the lens. Very near of the lens. That means that is the maybe 10 centimeters. Object to lens in between distance is 10 centimeters. Now, where we can find out the image? See here. Already we learned that object distance is 12 centimeters. Focal length of the lens is 15 centimeters. Then bring the screen left to right. That is also very near. No image on the screen. Where we can find out that image? That is formed object side only. Image formation will be came object side only. That is the different case from the all cases. Let us assume that we are the observer. Then we will find out the image object side only. That image characteristics, first one is erect. Erect means as it is. Then next one magnified. Object is very small one, image is very large one. Finally virtual. Virtual means not clear. Not clear. These are the characteristics of the last case. Focal length of the lens 15 centimeters. Object distance is 12 centimeters. That time we will find out the image is virtual. Sign conventions. Sign conventions. Then last case, object to image in between distance is very near. That time we will find out the virtual distance. Lens formula 1 by f equal 1 by v minus 1 by u. Here small f means that is the focal length, v means image distance, u is the object distance. According to sign conventions, convex lens having the real image, convex lens having the real image, f equal to positive plus sign, u is the negative sign. Here object is the negative sign, image is the positive sign. Image is the positive sign. 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, that is the lens formula. Hence 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, or f equal to uv by u plus f. Lens formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Listen carefully. That is the very important for your problems. What is that lens formula? 1 by f. Focal length of the lens equal to differences in between image formation to object formation. According to sign conventions, convex lens, virtual image, then that time we are using the different formula. F equal to positive, u equal to negative. We also using the negative formula. Then 1 by f equal to minus 1 by v plus 1 by u, or f equal to vu by u plus v. Our lab activity tabular form. At infinity, object distance, image distance is 15 centimeters, focal length 15 centimeters. Object distance 70 centimeters, image distance is 19 centimeters. That time we using the focal length 14.94 centimeters. Third case, object distance is 60 centimeters, image distance is 20 centimeters. Focal length uv by u plus v. That time we will find out the focal length 15 centimeters. Then next 50 centimeters. Object distance 22 centimeters. Image distance, focal length f equal to 15.27 centimeters. Next one, object distance is 40 centimeters. Image distance v equal to 24 centimeters. Focal length uv by u plus v equal to 15 centimeters. Next one, object distance is 30 centimeters. Image distance also 30 centimeters. That time we find out the focal length of the lens is 15 centimeters. Lastly, 20 centimeters object distance, 60 centimeters image distance, then focal length of the lens is 15 centimeters. Then next one, object distance is 15 centimeters, image formed at infinity distance. Finally, last case, object distance is 12 centimeters. Image distance, where we can find out that image distance is only object side. Then we can calculate the focal length of the lens by taking the average of all the values in column 4 of the above table. Average focal length 14.94 plus 15 plus 15.27 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. Average means sum of the observations by number of the observations. How many number there here? 16 in the tabular form. That time add it 14.94 plus 15 plus 15.27 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 by 60. The answer is 15.04. Precautions of the lab activity. Place the convex lens on the V stand vertically. We stand and the screen should be on the same line. That means same table. Measure the image distance only when the clear image is formed on the screen. Fourth one, while looking the image on the screen, the minimum distance between eye and image should be 25 centimeters. Dear students, I hope all are understand today's topic. Thank you and God bless you all.